Hi Archana. I heard that you started an insurance agency. How did you get the funding?
Simple. I just used the investment returns that I got from balanced advantage funds.
I've never heard of that. Can you tell me more about it?
Of course, balanced advantage funds are mutual funds that dynamically manage their asset allocation between equity and debt based on market conditions. They aim to provide a balance between growth and stability by adjusting the mix of these assets.
So interesting. I'll find a fund that aligns with my goals as well as risk appetite and begin investing.
Absolutely. Investing is all about getting the right knowledge and make informed decisions. On top of investment की हर जानकारी प्रोग्रेसिव एंड फोकस्ड है ये एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.